Hi everybody and welcome to the Jersey Wife channel. I'm Fontana. What's today, boys and girls? Fit Fab Fun box came. It's spring has sprung. Okay, I just opened it. I have not looked inside, so I'm gonna
probably mispronounce every freaking word in here.
That's what I've been doing lately. But anyway, I'm opening it up and I am putting my glasses on because I'm going to need them for this one. I'm so excited to see what's in the spring box. Okay, so you get your magazine and we have Venus Williams on the cover. There she is. And there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Great information. Tells you about the stuff that's in the box. Blah, blah, blah. We always get our $50 gift card from Hellofresh. Hellofresh. Totally going to miss. I can tell you right now. Totally mispronouncing everything as I look down. Okay, so this is Tula, Probiotic Skincare Purifying Face Cleanser. How about that? I said everything right. I don't know how much. I'm going to list everything retail, what it is below. I could probably open the magazine and probably tell you what it is if I really wanted to. Maybe I will. Maybe I will. I will tell you how much it is. You also get discounts, like if you use certain codes. You can go to like Ulta or and get a discount. I think the discount codes are in the back. I know this. Oh, here it is. It doesn't tell me the price on this, so I have to look all this stuff up. And who wants to spend their time doing that when there's a box in front of me? Okay, so anyway, can't wait to use this. Really heard good things about it. I'm testing an entire foundation line. The Shape Tape. I have their foundation on and their concealer today. Not terrible, huh? And I've had it on for 6 hours, okay? But I'm testing NARS. I'm testing, what else did I get? I get a whole bunch of them, so I'm gonna do a whole foundation thing. Because let me tell you something. I don't wanna see foundation or people complaining about cracking a little around the eyes when you're 30 and 40. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you some secrets that I have found. And believe me, I've screwed up many a times where I look like a crust ball at work or everything's lying in there. Well, I kind of found a couple of things that I can do and help the people that actually have real wrinkles around their eyes and real wrinkles on the forehead. But anyway, so it's not bad. It feels very light. I'm getting the NARS Radiant Light, whatever. It's coming. So I'm going to do a whole thing on that. But anyway, let's get back to the box. Okay, so next thing is okay, this is not going to come in handy for me because I don't cook, so that's a problem. This is called Giadzy. Giadzy. I don't freaking know. Here. Okay. It's spoons. Cooking shows, really not digging them. Don't really cook. These are really cute though. Might have to give these away. Oh, look how cute. A little necklace. Designed by Love. It's the Two Bandits. Very cute. California. That's really cute. Look at that. It has little like probably faux little crystals in there. Very cute. This is definitely my daughter's going to grab that. At least one of them will. Okay. I always screw up things like what they are, so I'm going to open it before I open my really big mouth. Looks like it might be sunglasses. What the hell? Okay, this is made by OUAI, Australia. Okay, let's see what Quay is. Oh, God. So funny. I'm a freak with sunglasses. I do have a lot of them. Oh, my God. They're aviators, too. I love aviators. I do have a sunglass face. I think I do. I mean, in my own head, I do. I don't know. Maybe I don't. I don't know. Let's oh, gets that off. Oh my God, oh, there's a mirror on the side here, so if you don't mind, oh my God, I am cool. And they're very good, the lenses. Oh gosh. And I have glasses on. I can't see close up with the glass, with contacts. You can't look close up. I'm not getting the half ones that the floor is moving. So anyway, so how cute are these sunglasses? I might keep them on for the whole thing. I might. They're that clear. So great case. Really cute. Oh my God, I'm a little surprised, I gotta say. A little surprised. And what the hell is this little wrapped up thing? Let's see what this is. Show me your Mumu. Why do I think this is a Mumu? I think it's a Mumu. Is there a Mumu in here? Oh, there is. There it is. Picture of it. Very cute. We're gonna open it because you know I have to. Oh my God, things are falling. Oh, it's like it's a robe. It's a light summer robe. How adorable is this? And I love the pattern. And it's not because I'm old. I love roses. I love the smell of roses too. But there it is. Look at that. That's very cute. All right. Wait till you get a load of the retail prices. You're going to blow your mind because this is very thin. It's great for summer. Oh no, I got a big, huge container of something I'm not going to be able to pronounce, but let's give it a shot. Okay, sunglasses have to come off because I can't freaking read without my good glasses, okay? Okay, this is Champagne Charcoal Scrub. It's Relax. It's made by Manna, Kadar.
Manna, Kadar. Right there, MK.
This is good. This is a goodie. Look how big it is. Holy crapola. This is big. It's a good scrubber. I was going out to buy a scrub. Isn't that weird? I needed a new one. Okay, what else is in here besides my cool sunglasses? No more bags. Eye depuffer gel. Oh God, do I need that. This is gonna be super expensive. That's pretty cool, right? It's really good. Okay, this is a leave-in conditioner, and I'm presuming it's in your hair, by OUAI. Please let me try, okay? No mocking me. No writing wacko statements, please. OUAI. OUAI. There it is. It's a leave-in conditioner. I love leave-in conditioners because I'll put them in my hair during the day and just kind of when I'm working from home, and it's kind of cool. And I just leave it and it doesn't matter. Sometimes I'll spray a light mist if I'm going out. Sometimes they smell good. I don't know if this smells. I'm not opening it right now. But this is very cool. I'm very impressed by this box. I'm a little shocked by the box, I must say. Because it was weird because I was almost saying to myself, how many more boxes can I do? How much more reviews? And I didn't peek at all on their site or anything. I am very impressed that I got a Robe. I'm totally digging the sunglasses. Like, somebody stop the madness. I lose them, so I can't be doing that. Be sunny, stay shade. Stay shady. Okay. Stay shaded. There's a whole thing. I thought it would give me more information, but I'm sure it's in the magazine. Putting my sunglasses back on because they're just too cool not to. Because I'm totally cool with my sunglasses. Totally cool. So, in this box, you got a robe. Summer robe. Can't beat summer robes because I wear like those big terry robes year round. I don't know why. Stupid. I got the OUAI stay-in conditioner for your hair. I'm sure it's super expensive. It's super great. I'm totally digging the Tula because this I've heard so much about, and I love that I love their packaging. It's like kind of like Tiffany-esque. The champagne scrub. Love scrubs. I'm addicted to scrubs. I gotta admit, in the shower, a good scrub. It's sealed, so I can't open it for you and smell it, but I'm sure it. Oh my God, I love scrubs. I got the Dr. Brandt depuffer. Where is it? Upside down depuffer. I got this really nice cool necklace. I got the the measuring spoons. Completely useless to me. I don't know. But they're cute. They're copper, cute little measuring spoons. I don't use them, but okay. And we got our $50 off Hellofresh. I think this is only when you're like the first time or a gift card you can give a friend. I've given more of these out because I don't use Hellofresh that much. I'm more of a Blue Apron, and I found something else where you could buy the frozen meals and then they turn into really good meals, and that's made by Freshly. I know they're kind of like, I didn't hear about them either, but they are really good. If you don't want to have to chop and cook and all that, it's called Freshly. You order them. It's really just for one person though. You're not going to get a meal for two. You can order for two people, but the meal itself comes like that. It's it's very good. But HelloFresh is very good too. But I don't happen to. Oh, is that? I'm feeling crunchy. Oh, it's it's the tag from the sunglasses. They are so clear, and I am under crazy ass lights right now. So anyway, this box is really good. And my sunglasses from Quay, Australia. There's it's just so you know, it's QUAY. Absolutely adorable sunglasses. I think I'm digging them. I really do. I think I'm totally digging them. You know, because the Jersey Shore is coming. Spring Lake's coming. I don't think so right now because believe it or not, in Jersey, it's 40 degrees out there, but it's like a little windy. So it's cold. It's still cold. It's still like that really crappy weather that comes between winter and spring. You got that spring crap. Like everything's still brown. Things are off but it'll all burst, right? So it'll be okay. So anyway, total box. Rating, I'm going to give this one like a 9. You know, I really love it. I mean, I really love this box. It came with stuff that's really something I'm going to use, so I'm not going to cancel my subscription. I'm going to get the winter box. The summer box is coming. This is spring, summer box, and winter box. Anyway, So this is the Jersey wife. Listen, stay tuned. I know I've been very laxed in putting out videos. I totally get it. I'm very sorry that a lot of them haven't been done yet. Oh, I'm going to tell you about a site where I'm getting all my samples that I've been sampling, my high-end stuff, called Poshmark. And if you haven't been on Poshmark, stop. I think I'm going to do a haul of Poshmark because I wanted to test the site. So what I did is I ordered a whole bunch of stuff. High-end foundations, concealers. What else did I get? I got really cool pants that I was dying for. A brand is called Couture Activewear. Oh my God, they make everybody look good. And someone had them wrong size, so I got that from them. I think I should do a haul of them because I am really impressed on the people that I've been purchasing from. I've actually bought more from Poshmark this month than I did trying the eBay thing. But I'll list all that stuff when I do my Poshmark. Right now, this is all about a FAB FIT FUN box. It's fabulous. Love the box this in the spring. I think I'm going to be giving some stuff away, like the spoons. Okay. The robe is adorable. The sunglasses, nobody's getting these because I love them. So you've been watching. I know. I'm babbling now. You've been watching the Jersey Wife channel. I'm Fontana. I expect you guys to start thumbing up, subscribe, okay? In Jersey, what do? We live very large, very loud, and you know what? We never compromise. I'll see you in my next video. Stay tuned. I promise they're coming out. Bye-bye.